All right, great one. Welcome back. So basically, if you followed us, followed me rather, you'd have seen how we built up the revenue by region, the region by revenue and total cost, revenue by order priority, by country, and by item times. Now we're going to click on the new sheet and we call it dashboard. So we're going to build a dashboard now, and we're going to make it responsive. The first thing you go to view, so you want to disable the grid line, go to insert, click on shapes, click on rectangle, click through the rectangle. Alright, so you come here, then you can now pick whichever color that suits you. Alright, pick any color and go to text box, click and drag through. I will say this 8 years, and we format it and make it centralized, then increase it this way. Make it repeat just like this. Then the next thing is we want to start bringing our chart in. So the first thing we do, go to revenue by year, click on that chart, then go to pivot chart. Right, we have it in pivot charts and we have it in design, so we can move chart. It asks us where do you want to move it to. Then click on the drop down object in and go scroll down to dashboard, click on OK. Then you see your chart moved to dashboard. Okay, see your chart is moved to dashboard. And click on this and drag it down because we'll be having more charts we're going to bring in. So it's there. Then let's go to revenue by year and region, click on it and go to design, then we go to move chart, the same process to dashboard. Okay, so we have it in dashboard. Okay, so we can actually make it fit. Boom. So we have our first chart. As it's coming together, then we go to region by revenue, click on it, design, move chart, then select, scroll down, dashboard, OK. And we'll bring this guy down, click and bring it down. Okay. The same thing, we go to revenue by order priority, select it and go to design, move charts, so move it to dashboard. So click on it and drag it down. Make sure it's accurate, just like that. Okay. Okay. Click on the blue one and we can still extend it further down so that it fills up the entire space. So gradually dashboard is coming together. Okay, so the next thing we want to bring is down with this, go to revenue by country, go to design, move chart to dashboard. I hope you're following. So you move it to dashboard, it comes there, then you drag it down. Just like the way you see it. Then we go to the last one, click on it, design, move charts, move it to dashboard, and it comes down. And here you go. So it looks a bit off. Yeah. There we have it. So our dashboard is ready. So you can see our dashboard. But we're not done, because if we filter one, it's going to just be just one item. All right. So all we do is we're going to select one of these, and we go to insert, go to pivot chart analyzer, and click on insert slicers, and let's pick four. I want to see by region, I want to see by item types, sales channel, then I want to see by, do you want to see by month or year, and quarters. No, just here. So let's do for this. So you can see our slicers are there already. So all you want to do is just move them, just move the slicers and arrange them the way you want them to be. That's the way the slicers came. Okay, so we have our slicers now. But mind you, if we slice for one, it's not going to affect everything. It's going to only affect the one that it concerns, right? But then we want it to be responsive such that when you slice for one, it affects the entire dashboard you're seeing. So all you do is let's click on this item type, the slicer for it, right click and click on report connection. Then you check all the boxes for, so it means that whatever that happens to one will happen to every other. So we're done with that. So let's select the second one, right click, report connection, make sure you check all the pivots that is readily available, click on OK. Same thing happens to this, right click, report connection, make sure you check all the basics and click on OK. Then the last one is the sales channel, report connection, check all the boxes and click on OK. So this time around, when you slice for one, you can see it affects all. Can you see? If I say 2010 now, you see it affects 2010. If I say 2015, 2017, 2013, so you can see the figures changes. If I say Europe now, let's see for just Europe, for Middle East, you get for Sub-Sahara, for North America, and I want to see for baby, you get. So that's how it's going to work. So I want to see for both, but then I just want to see for baby food. This for baby food, this for beverage, this for cereal, this for clothes, this for household. So guys, watching this video will give you the in-depth insight on how to create a dashboard. Of course, you can then start finalizing. If I go to page layout and click on colors, of course, I can affect my data the way I want it. Can you see? Depending on, and you can customize your color selection. You can customize this based on the company's description. I can decide to select this, right? And I can decide to do a lot of formatting, meaning how I want my data to look. So we can do a whole lot of it. If I come to format, shape fill, it's I don't want did you see how that looks? Right? Do you see how that looks? Then I can change it to white. Can you see that? This gives it a very unique feel. Can you see? If I go to shape fill, I say I don't want any fill, right? And I change this to white too. Can you see how neat this is looking? If I click on this, I said I don't want shape fill again. And if I click on this, I say give me white. Can actually select this and tell it to give me color that matches it. Can you see? So it depends on whatever you want. Yeah, good afternoon, man. Okay. Sorry, I've been quite busy. That's why I've not been able to take any call. Okay, man. Thank you. Oh, okay. So, what do you want him to learn? You want him to learn software development? Software development. Is that what you want him to learn? How old is he? Does he have access to a computer? Okay. Okay, this is it. I'll be closing today. I might closing very late, so it's tomorrow evening. I would maybe close earlier if it's possible. We could meet at Friday's office. So I'll come down there myself. I would like to meet him so that I have a word or two with him. Tomorrow is Tuesday, yeah. Yeah, evening around 5:36. Yes. Yeah, I live in Sun City. No, no problem, no problem. All right, you're welcome. Definitely. All right, I'll save it now. Ma'am, please, what's the name? Okay, no problem, noted. I'll save your number now. Thank you so much. Other work don't come with that one.
I said that's the goal.
Did they see our work now? If like say we know they work, but they peep us for back. Because the people they know may you make them pass and then they watch you pass. So. We'll do alright. Okay. So our chart is looking bang. What do you think?
Oh, this is not something.
So my colleague is telling me what I know Sabi do. Her name is Priska. She's our learning tech administrator.
Are you serious?
Yes. Nah, tech people don't care about those things. Yeah, you see it shortly. So basically our chart is ready. You can see how neat our chart looks. Alright. So imagine you being an analyst for a company and doing this. And mind you, if you go to page layout, you can still change the background. Can you see? Depending on what you want. Can you see that? But then I still prefer my green. So let's filter for 2014. Can you see? Let's filter for 2012. Let's filter for 2016. For 2017. You can see now it's responsive. As we are changing it, it is moving. Everything is moving, not one, not two. So if we remove the filter, everything comes back. If we remove the filter here too, it shows for everybody. And then we have our responsive dashboard. So below here, you can add designed by, okay. So this, the shape field should be our orange. No, that's too bright. Okay, we don't want any outline. So let's add a text field. So say designed by FNet Technologies. So we make it bold, then we increase it. Okay, so our dashboard is set. Want to see for baby food, want to see for cereals, see for fruit, see for household. So imagine you're able to build dashboards like this from scratch up. You know what that means? It gives you insight about your data. Thank you and catch you guys later.